from DSC PCC. I am part of backend team at DSC PCC, and today we'll learn about APIs. What are APIs? Let's start with a simple example of restaurant. You visit a restaurant and give order to the waiter. Here the waiter acts as the interface between you and all the complex processes going on in the restaurant. You need not worry about what ingredients are needed, what recipe to use, you just give the order. Here the waiter is API of the restaurant. So how are APIs defined? API is an acronym for Application Programming Interface that softwares use to access data, server software or other application. In layman terms, it's an intermediary that allows two applications to talk to each other. APIs are very versatile and can be used on web-based system, operating system, database system and computer hardware. APIs are not language dependent and they can be developed and used in different languages. But why should you know about them? That's a good question to ask. It is being used today in applications we use almost every day. Developers use API to make their jobs more efficient by reusing code from before and only changing part that is relevant to the processes they want to improve. APIs can be used to access data, hide complexity of system, extend functionalities as well as they make the system much more secure. APIs have been around for a long time and will to be as long as businesses utilize them. They are very versatile and quick to implement. So how do they work? APIs communicate through a set of rules that define how computer applications or machines can talk to each other. APIs act as middlemen between any two machines that want to connect to each other. Let's take a simple example of signing in your Google account. When you sign into your Google account using your mobile phone, the mobile application makes an API call to retrieve your Google account and credentials. Google would then access this information from one of its server and return the data to the mobile application. This is an example of web API. So what are the types of API? APIs can be classified broadly into the four types mentioned, that is REST APIs or RESTful APIs as they are known, SOAP, Simple Object Access Protocol, XML RPC and JSON RPC. We'll talk about each one of them in detail. REST APIs or RESTful APIs stand for Representational State Transfer and delivers data using lightweight JSON format. Most public APIs use this because of its fast performance, dependability, and ability to scale by reusing modular components without affecting the system as whole. Simple Object Access Protocol is little complex than REST and uses XML to transfer data. XML RPC and JSON RPC are remote procedure call and they use the languages XML and JSON. So most of the APIs which you will come across while development or using are generally REST APIs. So that's it for today. Thank you all.